Barrel a come for her. Dirty woman. Look for your father. You rather buy a poochie? You rather buy a poochie than take out your father out of the shop. The man a live heavy box. The man 970s, the man should have rest and a sit down. And you say you're a money woman and you have your father work. In a foreign, my mother, some people not frightened for foreign love Sanders. My mother don't want to come to foreign. My mother live comfortable in Jamaica, that if I understand. You have a rich people, dirty Sanders. Yep, Sanders. You can't talk to nobody. At them where they you know, walk dog. But them people, for them are good people, for them dog that are walk people dog, dirty woman. To me? You come in the liar tour. We may have enough of you in my inbox. Dirty woman. I say, quick, come out of my inbox with your liar. Say, you no Porsche. You have no bedroom with no 5 bathroom. Is a liar, woman. Time for you retire your father, South Sanders. Please, may I ask you, retire your father. I'm tired. You bring your father they are foreign and work. I work off him ass. Wanna tell me where she has my aunt and little ape. Tell me where she has because she a draw for my little baby. Birthday look a birthday party when a COVID time. Dirty woman. Dirty woman. Time for you retire your father, love Sanders. You can't talk none about my mother. My mother live good life at Jamaica. Good life at Jamaica. And everybody want to come a foreign. Learn that. Cause look how you there friend and you not live no life. Every Sunday you can't even sleep in your friggin' bed. You have to go around and clean the people them house round the clock. You have to go clean the care home round the clock. Dirty woman. And everybody want to come a foreign. Enough people in Jamaica are rich. Them and live big life. Outta. Look at your father. Look at your dad. Me rather drive a old car where me I drive now than I drive a Porsche. I met my father at work and I kill out himself and I live up big box. Big box. Did you help your father? Help your father. In the butcher, every meat bag round and back. You wicked woman. You wicked. Yeah, big up UK. Big up UK. Cause Queen now make her hungry. Her Majesty now make her hungry. Dirty woman, your bad mind. Your bad mind single mothers. Wanna tell me what she say, my answer dirty ass. Wanna tell me what she say. Dirty woman. Where you will come. You think about the friend, you know I have no secret for nobody, dirty woman. No secret. The poor little man after work. You know the freezer them, him on a freeze. Retire your father. Retirement, justice for your father, love Sanders. We want justice for your father. Cause you not supposed to rich and I drive Porsche and I make your father work in a meat shop. Me that retire my father. My mother there at Jamaica, well, alright. You stay down on the road and you see the house up at the top. She don't want to come a foreign, live a foreign. You have rich people. If you never know Dirty Love Sanders, cause like you come from Guyana or some of them country there. And you try to be Jamaican. Yeah? You have rich people in Jamaica. Rich people in Jamaica. That means them. Check out Chensia. Them don't want to live a foreign. Them do not want to live in foreign. Because Jamaica nice. Jamaica beautiful. Trust me. That's why you hate Chin Allen, because Chin Allen dash out your father's profile. The man that suffer in a foreign. That's why you hate the girl. Talk about that. You come and talk about my mother. We're supposed to pop barrel fear and the bar data. What? Talk to me, Love Sanders. We are talking about your father. We are talking about your father, Love Sanders. That you're rich and you have 5 bathrooms. Oh, your father suffer so. If you take out the spoiled meat, them out of the fridge. The poor man and a freeze off. Talk to me, Love Sanders. Love Sanders, why you not retire your father? Your father have it hard in a foreign. You come and talk about my mother. My mother there Jamaica well comfortable. If you drive, go down on the road, you can look up and see our house. Yeah? You can look up and see our house. Remember me tell you that. And I want nice area she live. I want nice area she live. Dirty woman. You come and talk about mother. You saw 8 people pitney. You gone from a local son birthday party. I'm gonna put up on my video. You talk about my cabbage. You do my cabbage look like a dirty woman? I don't know if it do mean people something and mix. Me say the poor little man like him come from Africa. I suffer. You know the suffer. Me not talk about the good part of Africa, you know. Love Sanders justice for your dad. You have to retire. Him want to retire now. The man in his 70s, the man kill. You make the man kill himself a go where. You know them big freezer them have to take out the spoiled meat and a dash them where. Them big old box them have to carry. Pan him back. You're a wicked woman. He's a wicked woman. And you come out about my bonus mother. My bonus mother will just sit down and go to MoneyGram or Western Union. Or in the bar. Come right at. As she a talk about. As she a talk about. My mother a talk about. Where is your mother, dirty woman? Talk about your mother. Cause your mother pussy curse no. Cause she got there with her. She got there with her. Your father is half animal. Your mother pussy curse. Talk about that dirty woman. Talk about your father. Your father will come for your father. Love Sanders. It's not fear. Your father they are foreign. And you say you drive force and you have him a suffer in a meat shop. All Sunday the man there meat shop at work. That is cruelty. If you make your father live big life. She don't have no money. If she'd retire her father, a true chin bust it up and answer her father suffer. She mad. She mad. Please, Love Sanders. Go help your father. Go and help your father. A MoneyGram me just go, you know. MoneyGram me just go sort out my mother. And she not even the one the money. Dirty woman. Please go and help your father, Love Sanders. Please. The man not supposed to, in them COVID time, the man a work in a shop hard. I take out the rotten meat them. You're wicked woman. You're wicked. You're a wicked woman. And me say me no know. She dead stamp her the man do you know. She dead stamp her father. One thing with her. One piece of ape. You can't talk to me? Me say I couldn't tell the woman no more. Me say listen, just come out of my inbox. Because I pay a lie, he's a liar. You is a liar. You not live no big life, daughter. I can't sleep Sunday morning in my bed. You can't do that, daughter. You can't talk to me, boy. You come and zoom a picture and set picture. Oh, you want set it. And my worst, me I tell you that. Love son, I don't want justice for your father. Justice for your father. Please, go help your father. Cause me I help my mother. She not have to call for help. My mother now work. My mother now take my mother and not carry around. She not work for nobody. Nobody not send out. Nobody not. My mother and not send out girl. Like how they have to send out your father. So go and take out the meat or the freezer. Nobody can say that to my mother. Nobody. And I me you want to come for dirty woman? Liar woman. Everybody tired of your lie now. We can't take it no more. I better you just come and just show one part and say, boy, but you're trying to prove, see, you're on a yearns, woman. On a yearn, leave the people them care alone. She don't have a man for choose, an animal bring her. The meat shop where her father work in her. Her father working at the grocery shop. Go help your father, Love Sanders. Go and help your father. And that's why you hate Chin, because Chin know the man, and you know so the man don't have zero. The man has suffer. You got to talk about my bonus mother. Life can't come back live. They talk about her father. I love Sanders more her father. But I love Sanders to help her father. Her father suffer and she dead there at trouble. And everybody pitney look better than Love Sanders pitney. I remember say Shaka people pitney bastard and I fear pitney the bastard because fear pitney them is animal. Them is not full human being. And you come talk about your father own the shop. You don't own nothing later. You're so delusional. He is just tell my answer the ape. Dirty woman. Nobody can bother with you. Everybody find out say you a big pathological liar. Nobody know why you. Everybody with your friend, them cut you off because them can't take the linings every day. Stop living a lie. Stop living a lie. Kind of fit and benefit. Yes, but the benefit. What can you do? You can't do nothing about it. I have my papers, that's why I can't go pan benefit. Where you have what you have. But me coming in your inbox come and cry. Me lady, cry to you. Nobody. Nobody. That's honest. Everybody afraid of your face. If you not talk about people, you don't get nobody pan your life. Cause nobody don't want to see your ugly face. Nobody don't want to see your ugly face. Our father if kill out himself at work. Kill out himself. And you got to talk about my bonus mother. And not everybody want to live a foreign darling. Them have rich people in Jamaica if you never know. Them have rich people in Jamaica who don't want to live in foreign. Get that in your head. People live comfortable in Jamaica, them don't want to live a foreign. Boy, you come on. And this and that. Me never did. Love sandal. Stop going like you're nice because yours not nice. I stop use big word because he's a fucking idiot, woman. You don't know the meaning of nothing what you say. Me say the woman look like some granny. And you pitney them, your son them is nothing. Them is nothing. Them not nothing to them name. Them not nothing to them name, darling. So now go like say, them are any big shots. If your son them did ever a big shot and in a proper job, them wanna make yourself a mother what dog? You think me that make my mother what dog? Must say mad. You are what dog? Dirt on relevant. You don't know. Every minute she should come in at the dark. And she type. On her computer. Because she try to look some type of people come on her line and nobody not come. If you not pick. But me. If Fred them never make me bad. If Fred them never make me bad, we done me. And my family them. You are gonna make me bad, love standards? Be real. Be real now. You love. Love standards said me. Love standards said the only person supposed to make. I never did crack. I when I tell me say me I go to police station go report her. I never do it. I she the only one done me. I'm a family. Love Sanders, go look after your father. Please go look after your father. Dirty woman. 8 o'clock England, me text you 3 o'clock in a Canada and you get up at ugliest woman on the internet. Me no know who a fool you. But I true and me wrong na where am I working at? The meat shop where am I working at? Help him please. Help your father, Love Sanders. Help your father. Him over 60 and if you work hard. You come and make trouble with people. You can't talk to me? Dirty woman? You can't talk to me. You cannot talk to nobody. You need to sit your ass down and keep yourself quiet. I remember say people them near me are working. And when you send out voice note, send out all of the voice alone. Send out your voice note to dirty woman. We don't look at chaka house. Chaka house. Me say the woman that should clean her bathroom. All different type of rugs. All different type of mixed. First of all, you're gonna make everything match. If you want to clean your house and want to show off, buy the towel them lady. And you have to, if you want to show off, you put less something. You put all 3 candles in your bathroom. Dirty woman. When you know if you tidy your place and make place look good. You can't talk to nobody. All type of back. Ready? It don't look good. You did done show the chaka chaka bathroom already. So come here, come and show it. I was the you come and show a different bathroom. Dirty woman. And you show a member. Nobody now show the worst bathroom. And look at chaka chaka. Love son, they need to have several seats. Stop tell lie. Just come real. Stop tell lie, lady. Your father suffer. That is why you hate Chin Allen. Your father suffer. She show the worth. Your father suffer. Dirty woman. You couldn't pretend pan that. You couldn't pretend pan that your father suffer. In a foreign. You come talk about my mother. My mother live on the hills. You stay down on the road and you see the house up at the top. Dirty woman. Pretty house. Dirty love Sanders. You is known. I come bring down about the pitney. Because it's against them job, dirty woman. I come bring down nobody pitney. It's against them job. Don't say, hey, God. You say, God. Yes, so you're ugly. I saw your heart steer. You can't fix. You cannot fix. Father God, no way I do when I make a ugly hope just like your heart, woman. It's not even funny, trust me. It's not funny. You need to retire your father. Justice for your father, love Sanders. More you help your father. Help your father, he must suffer. You have the man they are foreign and work hard. We never see your husband gone. People, man. And you have to put a big emoji over it. A big emoji over it. Every single mother you have a problem with. You like you have a man problem, lady, because if me and my proper G, me not have, so how come you find so much time and you are work and you find time for IJ, you find time for everything, dirty woman. You're miserable. You're miserable, ugly woman. Love Sanders, it's not good enough. If you're ugly woman like you and you're miserable, you make you look 1 million more uglier. Ugly people must not have bad characteristic. Cause you need something to bring off your ugliness. You always a cussy bobo man, woman. You can't hold none. If you own a man, everybody have them man, whether them man skinny or fat, them show them man. Your man can't show. Why? Why, Love Sanders? If you are the owner, why him face can't show? Nobody not thief him. Everybody show them man, whether them fat, slim, or ugly, them show them man. Your one can't show one big emoji of over for him face. One big emoji of over him face. That mean you are the owner, darling. And you are the owner. Lady, need to get a life. Everybody move on and I move to different. Save up voice note, just fling out 1 year ago. Where you find on the voice note, lady? Where you find where discriminate me? Nothing. And I me make it there Canada and I hide. Dirty woman that can't travel. Dirty woman that working at people name. Ape Sanders. But sort out yourself and allow people alone. Stop show people care and us. Nobody nah kiss you. I bag them bag your face. I bag them bag your face. Love Sanders. Nobody no like you. Nobody no believe you. Woman, nobody no believe you. You try to friend with them people. Them tired of you and your lioness. Stop pretend. Stop pretend. Leave people pitney alone. Leave people pitney alone. You all come at about, oh, them a bastard pitney. Them a bastard pitney. Are you a bastard? Dirty woman. Say you can't speak, but you don't even know the meaning of some of the word them when you talk. Dirty woman. Love Sanders, please me I beg you. Sort out your father. Help your father. Help your father. And that you ear chin for. Because chin put out your father. And you now look after your father. Go and look after your father and leave people alone. Your father soon start shut up himself. Go and look after your father. And leave people alone. Leave people and them children alone. Cause you can't class nobody children. You cannot class nobody children. You know in a them category there, lady. You can't class nobody, you know in a them. You must talk about. Don't do it. Love Sanders. But you come and zoom up picture. But oh, look on a woman they look like a tran. Really? Really you talk about people looks? That's why when last you take off a wig then where you have and wash it and wash your ear and comb it and oil it. When last? When last, Love Sanders? But she come and fling out voice note. You look, you that you do going at people them inbox to friend them and then send them two voice note and when you and them vex, yes sir. What that means that you never have a friend lady. Cause when me and people talk me just delete them. I just delete every message. The current news that about father now. You come and bring in last year. Vice no 5 toilet. You do not have Porsche. Stop tell lie. Show me documents and papers. By the time if you look to Stambosi, please put up our father picture for me and make everybody